Opening a warehouse has been much more of a challenge than I originally anticipated. We've been working in this warehouse since September.
It's been a huge learning experience. You have different challenges when you're working in a warehouse environment, especially when you're not fully set up, but it worked out really good. I mean, the place looks great. I love it. You know, it's great walking into a brand new feeling setup.
We started with pretty much a blank canvas here, which is really cool. So we've had to kind of learn how to do a lot with a little. And it's really important for us to make sure we're putting out the exact same product, whether it's coming from HQ or here in Kansas City.
It's been a challenge, a learning experience, but the opportunity that this warehouse gives us, running out of space in Miami, we cleared out the 40,000 square feet we had there, no more room, so we had to open up an additional 40,000 here. The growth over the next, we thought it was 7 years, it will probably be closer to three years before we have to get more space. It just opens our company up with more opportunities to expand and grow at this pace that we're currently at.